Hi there, wig lovers. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a boob hugger. This is the Stevie wig by Amore. Yes, it's Amore, in the color Coconut Spice. Now, Amore and Noriko via extension, because they're like sister companies, have a lot of very beautiful, almost interchangeable variants of light brown. Because light browns tend to be really super duper popular. This is one of those colors. Anything from these companies that has the word spice attached to it tends to have a lot of very dynamic highlighting attached to it. So in the case of Coconut Spice, this is a light golden brown that has a hint of copper in it, as you can probably tell. And then it also has these very beautiful blonde highlights. Now they're kind of like a gold blonde highlight, but they're really, just look how pretty that is. They're quite pale up against the rest of the color. And so you can really see that contrast. All of that's blended together. So you get that little bit of red up against that gold brown, or the gold light brown, with that blonde. Just very pretty color. Stevie is long and luxurious and sleek and straight. She is actually very comfortable on, as far as I can tell, and very light, which is really nice given how much hair you're getting with this particular wig. The fact that you're getting a double monofilament top, and the fact that the hair is so incredibly long. Though I will say that just because the hair is long and you're getting a fair amount of it, I mean, you could tell by how lean the ponytail is that it is relatively thinned out towards the bottoms. That is to make her a little bit more realistic. These wigs are made to be wearable right out of the box, without any thinning, without any alterations. A lot of wigs that are universally thick all the way through, even though they look really glamorous on, they tend to need thinning on anybody who is, shorter than, let's say 5'6". So that's most women. I am actually like a tall person, so this is, a good amount of hair, though I could probably stand for a little bit more, actually, just because I like a lot of hair. But you're getting a lot up towards the top. I mean, I keep playing with it to show you. It's not like it's sparse, because they give you plenty of hair where it counts. Up here, it's definitely densely packed. Now, with any straight wig like Stevie here, you're going to want to carry a wide tooth comb just to sort of straighten her out a little bit, to make sure that she stays nice and neat and doesn't get tangled throughout the day. So now that I've straightened Stevie out after mussing her up, I'm going to show you what she looks like from all sides. I love all the butterscotch that's in this color. You can see it really well towards the bottom here. It's got that little hint of copper. Oh, it's such a pretty color. The nape is actually 18 inches all on its own. So that should give you a pretty good indication of just how long this wig is, because it's like about 10 inches from here to here, and then additional, so it's almost 28 inches from top to bottom. That's really long hair. The crown down is 17 inches, so it's got a little bit of layering here. The front, aka the bang, because Stevie has a bang that I've swept off to the side, but you can wear it down if you like. It's a little hard with the wind blowing though. It's 4 inches. And the overall weight is only 5.2 ounces, which again, like I said, is very light, especially given all the features you're getting and just how crazy long Stevie actually is. Stevie has a 100% hand-tied double monofilament top, which is awesome because it means you can wear her without a wig cap and she's still going to look freaking awesome. So let me part this. If it doesn't want to go, I will will it into submission with this comb. Near, near, near. Doodly doo. Zoom in on that. This color is awesome. There you can really see that knotting, how well that's done. And double monofilament tops are very smooth to the touch. So that's another thing that I wanted to point out. So let me go ahead and take Stevie off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So this is what pretty Stevie looks like on the inside of her awesome cap. This is a 100% hand-tied double monofilament top, super soft, silky to the touch, feels really nice actually, not scratchy in the slightest. Has a little bit of polyurethane right at the front hairline that helps grip the forehead and helps keep the wig from slipping and sliding. You have closed ear tabs here on the sides, as well as a little bit of stretch here. I find this wig is actually a little bit stretchier than most Amore wigs, which is nice. You don't have an extended nape. You don't need an extended nape, in my opinion, on this one because it's really long. And then you also have open wefted back and sides. And let me just show you what the top of Stevie looks like real quick. That's that monofilament. This has been the CysterWigs review of the Stevie wig by Amore in the color Coconut Spice. My name's Heather. I'm the owner and the pretty much everything at CysterWigs.com. You can send me an email if you have any questions or concerns, or check out my web store if you want to buy Stevie or any of the other wigs that you've seen me review on my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. I'm reviewing a ton of wigs this season, and if you want to see them all, you'll be the first to know if you subscribe. Until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye!